Whoa, he's angry. You got something to say, bud? Oh, damn. Yo, someone ain't happy. He's telling me off. Huh? What's the matter, bud? What is happening, YouTube? What it do, Butler crew? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to today's vlog. If you are new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button and join the Butler crew, because you don't want to miss out on all this fun and craziness that we love to do. Today, we have a nice little surprise for you guys and a nice little surprise for the boys. They have no idea where we're going today, and it's gonna be nice and fun, especially for Tai Tai. Tai Tai is gonna be right in his element. Jay's gonna enjoy it too, but Tyson, this is really stuff that he really likes. What's up, buddy? Yeah, well, no, I didn't tell anybody where we're going. It's a surprise. You guys excited to go see what it is? Yeah? Yep. You guys have an idea where we're going?
No. I have one.
Museum? Oh, that would be a good idea. We're just gonna have to wait and see, all right? You guys ready? All right, let's go. We have arrived. You knew it? Yeah? Where are we?
Big brain nose JJ.
Big brain nose JJ. We are at Victoria Butterfly Garden.
I know where we are. So we're gonna see a whole bunch of butterflies?
That's right. I think someone's excited, huh?
Butterflies!
You love insects and butterflies, don't you?
Yeah!
I told you, Tai Tai, you're gonna be happy about this one.
I wanna go!
You wanna go, huh? Oh, that's cool. JJ, you happy? I know it's not your super first choice, but still, it's gonna be cool, huh? It's gonna be cool. Are you excited? Somebody's super pumped about going to see the butterflies and insects. Oh yeah, Victoria Butterfly Garden. Here we come. Let's go. Butterfly, butterfly. Look, Tai Tai. Look, come see the ants.
Listen, look. Tai. Oh, look.
Whoa, look at the ants. They're bringing things.
Look,
See,
they're working.
Yeah, they're working, huh?
They're working as a family.
Yeah, they're bringing stuff everywhere.
No, they're trying. Look, they're bringing up there for food.
Wow, there's like thousands and thousands in here. Do you know an ant? It can transport 10 times its weight. I'm pretty sure I learned that when I was young. I'm not 100% sure on that one. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's right. What is it? Oh my God, it's... No screaming, okay? I guess they like oranges, huh? Oh, these are mille pattes. See the mille pattes. I think they have 1,000 legs. Oh yeah, cockroaches. Oh, nice. Whoa, that's a big one, huh?
Hold on, I'm gonna try to see I can scare it.
Wait, would you like that one to crawl on you, Tai Tai? Would you put your hand out for that one? You wouldn't like that. Oh yeah, right. Yeah, this guy ain't stressed out. He's just chilling, going about his business, getting a little tan on. Yeah. Huh? Is that your friend?
No.
You don't like this guy?
No.
No?
Somebody else gotta make a friend for him. Cause he's lonely.
There's nothing here? Stick insects. Oh yeah. Someone was telling me, I think it was Dan, or I'm not sure, but apparently there's little insects in here that look like sticks. And then, oh yeah, right there. And you never see them.
Whoa.
Look at that. Yeah, it looks like a branch. Look at that, it's right there. It looks like a branch. Yeah, right there.
I saw it.
It's not moving anymore. Hey buddy, come on. Are you shy?
Oh my God.
Camera shy, buddy? You're gonna be on YouTube. There's another one?
Yeah.
Where is it?
They're here.
Oh yeah, you're right, up there. They look like branches, huh? That's insane. I guess they're camouflage for other predators. Look at this guy right here, just chilling, getting a tan on himself. I bet there's another. Oh, is that another one there?
Oh my yikes.
Yeah, you can see his little eyes.
That's so weird.
My God. Hey, they blend right in, huh?
Imagine, t'arrives pour prendre ça, puis tu veux te faire un marshmallow.
Yeah, no, that definitely would be a good marshmallow stick for the fire. Whoa, look at these things.
Yeah, look. See, like they're everywhere.
They look like dried leaves, huh?
Those things up here look like these things look like dry leaves.
Out. Ils ont l'air des feuilles sèches. Check ça bouge. They look like dried leaves.
Look on the top, look on the top.
Oh, there's baby ones on the top. Yeah, you're right. Oh, there's even smaller ones up top.
On dirait ça me pique.
Yeah. Are they the same ones? I don't know. That one's a nymph, and I don't know.
Spiny, comment tu dis ça?
Spiny stick insect.
Saviez-vous?
And yeah, they come from Australia. They may look like little scorpions. What's up, buddy?
There's one here.
Yeah, there's a bunch everywhere. Well, that just looks like either a dead one or who knows. But my God, they camouflage so well. What's up? There's something else that's camouflaged?
Look at the leaves. Look.
Shh, no screaming, no screaming. Yeah, they look like leaves, huh? Oh, look, it's moving. Whoa.
No, that's sick. These
That's
are all
cool,
camouflage.
huh? I know.
You
Do
can't
you
even
know
see
why they
them.
camouflage?
Why?
So that they can stay away from predators, so that they don't get eaten, so that other creatures and other insects can't eat them. It's pretty cool, huh? Well, I'm pretty sure that's what it's for.
These are scorpions.
Oh, yeah.
Look. You can actually touch it.
Oh,
What?
yeah, it's a
It's
little
dead,
scorpion
it's
in it.
dead.
No, it's just chilling.
No, look.
He's not
Look.
dead.
Oh, yeah, you can touch it. You can touch it.
No, you can't touch it. Well, it's not dead.
I can touch it.
Did you know giant forest scorpions can tackle prey as large as mice?
What?
Dang.
Oh,
Those are cool. Oh my God. I wonder how many are in here, huh?
About like a billion.
You think so? That's a big number. I don't think there's a billion in here.
I think there are millions. Of course. There might be 100.
Yeah.
100? No, there's not 100 in there.
Leaf cutter ants. Would you go for a little nap in here, babe?
Nope.
Huh?
Tu es malade?
Just a little nap?
Never.
Come on. Just a little 15-minute nap. Come on.
Tickle you
not-
and give you a massage.
Yeah, it would give her a nice little tickle and massage, huh, buddy?
So cool how they camouflage. Turtle, butterfly.
Oh yeah, butterflies,
Turtle.
turtles.
Butterfly.
Whoa.
Hold on.
Do you think that?
Hold on.
Do you think that these are all here?
For me.
Huh,
Hold
buddy?
on, I got.
Oh,
I
wait,
got
look,
for me.
It looks.
A green iguana.
No, I want one of
You want to go see the green iguana? Do you think they're gonna be here?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Look, these camouflage into the color.
Yeah, you're right. Like little geckos, right?
Whoa, those are cool. Hey, come on, guys. Look, go
I think
outside.
Tyson's having a ball.
Jay disait, non, ça va être correct finalement.
It's gonna be okay. And then JJ's like, yeah, let's go. If Ty's happy, I'm happy.
Yo, it's so hot in here.
Yeah, it's humid. Do you know why it's humid? Whoo! Oh, these people got their coats on. Oh my God! Whoa! Look at all the butterflies. Whoa! Oh, look at this one.
Wanna hold it?
No, apparently you can't touch them, but if they land on you, it's okay. But apparently you're not allowed to touch them. My God, it's humid in here. Whoa, it's hot in here. Whoa, that's a big iguana, huh? That's where the iguana's chilling. Whoa, that's a big one. Whoa, this place is cool.
C'est vraiment nice.
the insects and
Wow!
butterflies.
Ça, il était au paradis. Ça!
Nice. Did you bring a fishing rod?
Non. J'ai oublié.
Oh, look at the turtles.
Oh, ils sont vraiment cute.
Wow.
Check les turtles, right?
Aha. Who's making those noise?
Wow, oh my God.
Look at that big one.
Wow, c'est tellement beau. Oh, wow. Wow.
Polly, want a cracker? Come. Polly, want a cracker? Huh? This guy ignoring me? He doesn't want no cracker? What's the matter with him? Yo, bro, you want yourself a cracker? Here, Jay, if you're too warm, you can go for a little swim. No? No swim? Did you see the iguana? I know, he's big, huh? He's just chilling with his mouth open. I don't know, is he hungry or he needs some air? Yeah, I bet he's well fed, huh? Okay, hold on, I'm just checking out the iguana 2 seconds. I'm coming, you're excited, huh? You want to go see everything, huh? Whoa, he's big, man. Oh, he's got a little cast on or something? Did he break his arm skateboarding? Okay, let's go. Oh, see? Wow, these are nice, huh? Okay, what did you want to see? What's the matter? Oh, there's a spider in the garbage.
No, there's something else.
No, it's just a spider, look.
No, they're like an ant thing.
No, it's a spider. Oh, look at a butterfly. Whoa. What?
I think your picture of these things inside there.
What's that?
I think your picture is.
What do you want to show me?
I think they have the picture in.
Where are you going? We're supposed to stay in the garden. This guy's all over the place. What? Yeah, we're gonna see these inside the garden.
No, that you saw, you know those beetle things?
The beetles?
Like the black things?
Yeah?
No, these things, those things up
Yeah,
there. Yeah, it was upside down the garbage.
It was? Yeah, there's a bunch of bugs everywhere.
So scary.
Oh
Mommy
no.
was freaking out.
Did he tickle you? Did he bite you?
No.
No?
There's no bite on my
Okay,
hand.
good. You know what? You can maybe become like Spider-Man or something, huh? If a spider bites you, would you like that?
It would probably kill me.
No, it won't kill you.
It's so hot in here.
Because, Tai, listen, it's so hot here. Listen to Daddy. It's warm here because the insects, they have to stay in humid temperatures. That's how they survive. If it would be too cold, they wouldn't be able to survive. That's why it's warm.
So, then like summer, so that way I can also survive.
Well, humans, we can survive in any temperature.
That's in here. Yeah, we can survive in here, but not outside.
Oh, Tai, you're too cute. They like bananas and oranges. Oh, look at them feeding. They got a buffet going on here. A little feast. Huh? Oh, look at that blue one. Oh, wow. Wait, that's real. Wow, look how blue and shiny they are inside. Whoa, look at that.
Check ça. Regarde,
Yeah.
avec le petit pétale ici.
Wow.
Les belles fleurs. C'est vraiment, c'est beau, hein?
Yeah, very
Exotic,
nice.
huh?
Yeah. Ooh, butterfly.
Wow. Check en arrière, ils sont bleus.
Tai-Tai's warm.
C'est chaud, mais là-bas, il y a plein de belles choses, Tai.
Look, Tai, look. The life cycle of a butterfly.
C'est comme ça que le butterfly.
Look, it goes from eggs to a caterpillar, and then it crystallizes, and then it becomes an adult butterfly. Did you know that a caterpillar becomes a butterfly, buddy?
First, we have to wait for these things, one of them to turn into a butterfly.
Yeah, look. This is the evolution of them, okay? I think it starts up here, and then it goes, yeah, so it starts up here, bud. That becomes the egg, and then I think it becomes the little caterpillar, and then it grows a little cocoon around itself, and then the cocoon becomes, it opens up, and then it becomes a caterpillar, and it flies away. Sorry. What's up, bud?
It was $1, so I bought myself a little candy.
Where'd you get the money?
My fanny pack. I got $1 in
Your
there.
fanny pack? And where'd you get the money from?
From me?
From you. You working now? You working now, or did you find that $1 in my ashtray in the car? How monkey? Here, let JJ, let Tai Tai taste. Wow, check out the parrot. Oh, and the turtles. Oh, turtle. Turtle. This guy's just chilling on top of everybody, no stress. Oh, this guy's in turbo speed. I think that's the fastest he can go. He seems on a mission. What are you looking for, bud? Huh? You think we got food or something for you? Oh. What's the matter with you? Huh? You got something to say?
Il devrait se mettre à faire de l'exercice, il a l'air d'être OK.
Eh non, là, il est en train de courir, là. He's running now, he's sprinting. That's his fastest mode he's got. No running, Tai Tai. Okay, buddy, we can't run in here. Whoa! Gentle, okay, buddy? Yeah. Because Kim is really not afraid of birds. Kim is a little afraid of birds. Oh, man. What's up, buddy? Oh, flamingos. Wow, you found a flamingo, Jay. What it do? That's what he's saying, huh? What it do?
Butler crew.
What it do, Butler crew? Whoa, he's cool at a flamingo?
That's so big.
Wow. He's such a special color, right? He's not pink and he's not orange. He's
He's not blue, he's not yellow.
he's a unique color, huh?
Yeah.
J'ai vu l'affaire la plus cute du monde. Regardez.
Oh, look at these two just chilling.
Mama.
It's a parrot. Whoa, he's angry. You got something to say, bud? Oh, damn. Yo, someone ain't happy. He's telling me off. Huh? What's the matter, bud?
Ça a l'air mais
Whoa. You good, bud?
Oh my god.
Oh my God, that was funny.
Oh yeah, you really want to go.
We got ourselves a little battle going on here. We got ourselves a stare down. Show him what's up, Jay. Tell him who's boss. You ain't budging, huh? Huh? You got something to say? You got Big J up in your face, huh? He ain't budging.
Yeah, that's what you said, huh? Oh boy. Get wrecked.
Oh, look at this guy. He wants to do a dance battle.
You want to go?
No, don't stand on there, buddy. Don't stand on there. Oh, look at him. Yo. Oh my God. Yo, he puffed up his feathers. Look at him. Oh my God. Look at him puffing himself up. Yo, who you think you are? Puff Daddy or something? Oh my Lord. This is funny, man. Look at him. Who you think you are? Huh? You think you big or something? You think you some big shot? Huh? This is your territory? This is, yeah, this is your territory? Huh? That's what you saying?
No, it's everybody.
No?
D'après moi, c'est un contest de feu que t'as ça.
Yeah.
See ya.
All right, peace out, bro. Later. Yeah, apparently he's a ladies' man, this guy.
Daddy. Hey, look where these are. Daddy, look. Daddy, look. They're tattoos.
Whoa, those are nice. Oh, look at him. He's shaking up his feathers, giving you a little dance, babe. Yeah, mommy's really secure beside her friend. What's up, bud? Are you hitting on my wife? Huh? How you doing? Can you say what it do, Butler crew? Say what's up to the Butler crew.
Say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh,
Hi.
you got his attention, babe.
Hi.
Hi. How you doing, bud? Wow, he's cool, huh? Jay, blow him a little bit of air.
Allez.
He's got food. He's moving.
He's moving towards you, babe.
Oh, salut, buddy.
Can I try? Oh.
Mais si tu mets ta main comme ça, il va y aller dessus. Colisse B.
Want them?
Oh my God, that was great.
J'ai chaud. J'ai vraiment chaud, mais c'est pas drôle, là.
I think that was his mating call, babe. He was trying to impress you.
Je vais mourir.
Hi.
Ah,
He's like, "What's up?
dis hi, Jay.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing? Huh? How you doing? You good?"
Yeah.
You want to get on, bud? Huh? Hi. What's up? What's up, dude? Hi. What's your name?
Then put a little air on me.
Don't bite me.
Wow, look at those colors, huh?
That's really nice.
That better? Yeah?
Want you wear that?
Oh, yeah. We have found the hidden monkeys in the jungle. Come along, let's go see.
I don't think so.
Hey, monkeys, you guys are not allowed there. Please get down. Oh yeah, that was lots of fun. You guys enjoy?
Yeah.
You really like this place, huh, bud?
It's so hot in there.
It's very, very hot, but I remember I told you why, because the animals, the insects
I know, they die.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, Mr. knows already. Oh yeah, that was lots of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a big thumbs up and go on our Instagram, the Butler Family 2021.
Oh yeah.
We love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.